How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're going to be walking through a 2025 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. You can see beautiful classic profile of the Montauk there. It does come with that tandem axle trailer that it's on, and we'll see in the back is powered by the upgraded power option, the 150 Mercury. Stepping up onto the boat, nice boarding ladder on the side here. Does have the seating package here in the back with some backrests that can pull out to be two different rod holders on either side. Nice cup holders, great casting space, nice rails, keep all the loved ones on board. A flip-flop lean post, so this can be adjusted either way to be either a lean post or a nice backrest while sitting. And this does have the live well in there as well. Looking at the console, you're going to have a Simrad chart plotter for all your fish finding needs or have your charts up, analog gauges as well as your throttle, and a VHF radio. A nice T-top on this boat, great option to have, stay out of the weather, especially those hot summer days, some break from the sun, and additional rod holders up there on the T-top. There is a cover for this boat that will extend from the back of the lean post to the front of the console, and the space in between is a great place to lay all of your cushions, keep them out of the weather, keep your boat looking beautiful all season long. Up in the front, there is a cooler that goes here. We have it inside right now out of the weather, but you can see where it locks in to provide another seat in the front, and a nice big casting platform / sun pad in the front. There is storage underneath these cushions. Just pop this up, and an anchor locker up front. Cleats and nav lights up in the front as well. One more nice feature on this boat is a lockable, nice size space underneath the console. It's a good spot for storage if you want to bring anything on board, as well as it's lockable, so if you want to leave anything on board. And on the other side, because it has the fishing package, nice dedicated spot for your tackle. So really great option, whether you're hitting the back bays or getting out front on the nice days. Great option to have lots of people on board, lots of fun on the Montauks. Again, it's Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to have you stop by. Thanks, and see you out of the water.